Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll show you how to ensure customer points are not implemented during billing in Logic ERP. This simple tweak can streamline your billing process and ensure your points system is applied only when necessary. Let's take a closer look at how to manage this setting effectively. Head to the Sales Voucher configuration. Select the relevant billing series. And here you will find the option labeled Do Not Implement Customer Points. Let's keep this feature disabled and monitor its impact during billing. Upon saving the bill, the customer's point-wise discount will be displayed. If the customer wishes to redeem their points, simply select the checkbox and specify the number of points they wish to redeem for the current bill. Let's have a glance at the Customer Point Ledger report. This report provides an overview of the total points earned by the customer, the amount redeemed in the corresponding bill, and the remaining balance of points. Let us now enable the feature, Do Not Implement Customer Points and observe its performance while billing. Enabling this option has two effects on the billing process. First, customer points are not recorded during billing. Even if a customer is selected, no points will be added. Secondly, customer points cannot be redeemed, meaning no points will be deducted. After enabling the feature, you may notice that the customer point-wise discount is no longer applied or displayed upon saving the bill. So, no points will be added or redeemed once the feature is enabled in the configuration. Let's save the bill and revisit the Customer Point Ledger report. It has been observed that when the Do Not Implement Customer Points feature is enabled, no data related to points is recorded for the respective bill in the ledger. This is how you can enable or disable customer point discounts in billing anytime with ease, according to your preferences.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.